Hello friends. So today I'll be reviewing my top 3 kajal for you guys. So these kajal are I'll also be comparing like all the three and will recommend the one which is the best out of the three for you guys. So I'll recommend that one for you. And so let's begin. First one here is from the brand Faces Canada. So this is what the packaging looks like. This is their magnet eye kajal and it retails for 175 rupees, which is quite a decent price. It is almost like that Maybelline Colossal kajal, the pricing wise, but I think it is better than that one, like quality wise. So I'll definitely recommend it over the Maybelline Colossal kajal. This is for 175 rupees and you get a net volume of 0.35 gram, if you can see. So it is a retractable pencil and so you don't have to sharpen it, and it is a red color. They are quite travel friendly as well. It won't take much space in your vanity, and the packaging is also very sturdy. The cap is very secure. So if you can see, it is a retractable pencil and it easily can get into your eyes because the lid is very thin and sharp. So if you want to create a very winged eyeliner or want to give a very sharp look, then you can definitely get into the lines of your eyelashes with this one. And the tip is very sharp like that. And talking about the pencil in itself or the packaging, I think the packaging is quite great for the price that you pay. Now let me swatch it for you. So they claim to be very creamy and long lasting for like 24 hours, but I don't think it will last you for 24 hours. I think within 4 to 5 hours it will start fading, and if you have oily eyelids, then it will definitely start fading after 3 hours or so. So let me swatch it. So if you can see, I just gave a stroke and it is a single stroke kajal as they claim to be, and it is definitely a single stroke kajal because in one stroke it gave a very nice black color. But if you want to build it, then you can definitely do it with multiple strokes. So when I give multiple strokes, it will give a very intense black look, and the texture of the kajal is very creamy and soft. Okay, so it is not drying or patchy, and it will glide on like very smoothly. So texture is very creamy, and if you want to apply it as a eyeliner also, then definitely you can give a very sharp look with this one. Overall, for the price that you pay, I definitely recommend this kajal to you. And if you can see, the swatch is very nice. I'll do a smudge test and water test of these kajal at the end of the video because it needs some time to set in. So let us give it some time to set, and that was it for this one. Now moving okay, and one more thing, that this kajal has vitamin E as well, so that is very nourishing for the eyes. And they are also paraben free and cruelty free. All three kajals are cruelty free and paraben free, so I don't generally go for those products which are chemical infused, so you can be assured of that one. Now the second one here is from the brand Plum. I have used quite a lot of product, you can see, and this is the Plum Nature Studio All Day Wear Kohl Kajal. Okay, and this retails for 500 rupees, 499 or something like that, and you get a net volume of just a second, you get a net volume of 1.4 gram, I think, sorry, 1.2 gram. Okay, yeah, so it is 1.2 gram, and you'll have to sharpen it. It comes with this sharpener. Okay, and this is a wooden pencil and you'll have to sharpen it. They claim to be cruelty free, and that is the best thing about it. And they say that it is ophthalmologically tested also, which is very great again. And it is again a very creamy texture. It is almost like a gel liner. Okay, so you can definitely give a winged eyeliner look with this one as well, so you don't have to purchase an eyeliner separately. You can definitely work this out. Now talking about the packaging. The cap is very secure and very good, so the packaging is quite sturdy, and the only thing is that you will have to sharpen it, and some products goes in waste while sharpening. That is the only demerit. Now let me swatch it for you guys, and they claim to be a single stroke kajal. So let's see. So this is the swatch of Plum Kajal in multiple strokes. I have given multiple strokes to give you that build up intense look. So let's see if it works in a single stroke as well. So in a single stroke, I think it also gives a very nice effect, but overall I think the Faces one was far better than this one. Comparing the single stroke review, but when I give multiple strokes, the build up was quite intense, and comparatively it was very jet black intense color, and the texture is also very creamy and soft, so you won't have to face any problem while applying it. It glides on effortlessly as well. But the only thing which I didn't like about this kajal is that it is quite blunt, like the tip is quite blunt, so while applying it as an eyeliner on the upper lash line, you'll have to face a lot of problems, because it won't give you that sharp eyeliner, winged eyeliner look. So that is the only thing, and since it is blunt, then you'll have to you'll have to work with it very cautiously, or else I think the overall the product is quite good, and you can definitely try this out. Now coming down to the third kajal here, this is from the brand Faces Canada. This is their Ultim Pro Intense Gel Kajal, and it is written that it is smudge proof and waterproof. We'll check on that in the end of the video. So it is a very intense kajal, and it retails for 550 rupees for a net volume of 1.2 gram, which is I think quite expensive, but since it is a pencil form, I think it will last you very long. And it comes with this sharpener, okay, and the sharpener is free. So the one side is a smudger. It is a smudger which you can use we can use to give that smoky eye look, and the other side has kajal. Okay, so that is a kajal, and you'll have to sharpen it obviously. So they claim to be a single stroke kajal as well, and it is also again paraben free. Okay, now the packaging is very nice, like it is very travel friendly, and the caps and all is very secure, so you don't have to worry about that. Now let's swatch it. Let's see how it does in a single stroke. So wow, like I was mind blown when I started using this kajal, and look at the intensity and the the pigment of this kajal. It is so nice, guys. If you buy this kajal, then I think you will start neglecting all other kajals that you have in your wardrobe. I have been doing that too, and in a single stroke it will give a very intense color, so it will glide on effortlessly, and this formula is so creamy and so soft, and plus the price that you pay is very nice, like very reasonable for the quality of the product. Okay, and if you are someone who does not like giving multiple strokes to get that build up, then this is the perfect kajal for you, because in a single stroke it will give you a very nice intense black color. So, and plus if you compare all the other swatches here, this is the most black and most jet intense black color that came out just in a single stroke. So you can yourself decide which one was better for you, but I think this is the best kajal that you can invest for yourself in. Now you can definitely build up the intensity with multiple stroke, but I don't think it is required with this kajal. Now when I personally apply it even as an eyeliner or as a kajal, then even when I just touch in my waterline, it will just give that color. So other kajals, especially this one, the Faces Canada magnet eye kajal, this won't apply very nicely on the waterline, because our waterline tends to get very watery at times. Okay, so but this one, the intense kohl kajal, is perfect for even even oily eyelid people like me, and also for watery eye people, because the water lines tends to get very watery, right? And it is very long lasting as well. So I have personally noticed that it will stay on your eyes for like 5 to 6 hours at a stretch, and it won't feel itchy or anything as such. It will feel very comfortable on the lips as well. So let's smudge it with using this smudger. If you want to give a smoky eye look, if you are going for a party or anything like that, then you can see that it will smudge very beautifully and give a very smoky eye look in your eyes. Okay, and you can definitely build that up. And I think comparing all the three kajal that I just reviewed, if you want to invest in a good kajal with good price and you don't want to keep purchasing kajal, then out of the three I would highly recommend buying this one. This is a double thumbs up for me. And for 550 rupees, the quality and quantity both are very nice. Okay, so I forgot to give you the water test. First let me do the smudge test. So this is the Faces Canada kajal, the red one. Okay, if you can see, it smudged off very nicely. Like it, I didn't face any problem smudging it. This is the plum one. So this is not coming off, guys. I'm trying very hard, but it is not smudging. So I think the claim that they do is very nice, very right. This is the Faces Canada Ultim Kohl Kajal. I think due to the smudger, it is quite smudging, but overall the texture is quite good. Now let's see if these kajals stand the water test. The plum one is resistant to even the water. The first kajal that I reviewed is kind of getting into the cotton and is getting off with the water, plus the third one is coming off with the water. So I think the only water resistant one was this Natural Studio Plum Kajal. I think even this one is water resistant, but due to the smudger it is coming off. So I think that was it for today's video, guys. If you like this video, then please do comment, like, and subscribe to my channel for more such reviews. And that was it. Thank you so much for watching.